What is up, TNS family? We are back with another vlog. It's your girl Sarah. Welcome back to Tuxx and I's channel. If you're new to this channel and you don't know who Tuxx is, this guy right here is Tuxx. Just deliciousness. Anyways, today I just thought I'll do a Thursday, you know, just a simple vlog of what we get up to on a Thursday. So this week we just started like going crazy, starting back on our fitness, which is just going to the gym and eating properly, and yeah, just doing all of that. I'm here at Brody and I thought I'll take you along with me. I wanted to go get my nails done. I am actually going to post, I'm going to post on Instagram what color I should get, and the first person to respond, I'm actually going to get that color. But I just hope they don't say stupid color. Just hope it's like a nice pretty color. But yeah, my color right now, it's actually like this pink. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on, let it catch. Can you see that? And I also wanted to say that these are my own nails. It's actually S&S. How cute is that, or whatever? But yeah, these are my actual nails. I'm gonna go and get them done again, S&S. Let my nails go wild instead of putting on acrylics like I usually do. But yeah, fams, I'm so excited to go get my nails done because I really need to get them done, as well as my toes. And let's go. Okay fam, so shout out to Tuloto _Mayava_. Make sure you check him out on Instagram. He was the one that picked my color. He was too fast for everyone else. I loved the next few colors that everyone was picking. Like there was one that said white, another girl, my other girl said lilac, and then the other people were just saying gray and all these other colors. But I'm actually, the color's not too bad. I was like hoping for like a neutral kind of color because I'm always going so loud, but it's okay. I'll just see how they look on my fingers. It's just a color that reminds me of like Julie and Chris. They usually go this like color. Okay, so she's just taken off the S&S off my nails, and this is what it looks like. It's my own nails right there. Don't worry about the dryness, it's because I had to put it in something. This is how you do it.
A few moments later.
Okay fam, so I'm just waiting for my nails to dry, but make sure you come down to Rainbow Nail and Beauty Salon. They have a massive Queen's birthday sale, which is from the 1st of June till the 31st of July, and they have, I'm going to put up the link over here. Make sure you come and check them out. They are found in Broadmeadow Shopping Centre. Yeah. Alright, oh, that's pretty close. Okay, TNSFAM, so I've done my nails. Shout out to Lotto. But I've done my nails and my toes, and now I'm gonna go home. I might go and see what I'm going to cook, because I don't like pre-made food. So I'm gonna have to cook my food and then wait for Tuxx to finish because he's doing OT, and then we're gonna go to the gym. Oh, you can't see. Let's go. What's up, TNS? So we are currently inside the gym right now. How was work?
It was good, family. You know what? It was actually really good. Cruisy, but because I've been in cruise mode all day, I went home, laid around for a bit, showered.
Yeah, and then I went and I laid in bed as well with him.
And now we're here.
What time is it? What's your phone? So it is about 5 minutes to 8, and we're gonna try and smash out this workout. We're gonna try and get as much footage in of what we usually get up to. What are you working on?
I'm doing back and buys.
He's doing back and buys. I'm gonna do cardio, maybe join in with Goa's boxing thing, so this guy can hurry up and finish. I mean, we don't want to rush, but we do want to show you what we get up to when we do come to the gym. Blackcat. And then yeah, we're gonna do that. We hope you enjoy this vlog. Smash that like button right now if you want to see more workout videos with the T&S family and Blackcat. All right, let's go.
Okay family, so yeah, reached the end of our vlog and I'm tired, a little bit sweaty. How are you, baby?
I'm tired. Yeah, I'm tired.
So yeah, we're gonna close this vlog off. Gotta go home, get ready for, not get ready for it. Gotta go home, get some sleep, so I can wake up early in the morning. But before I go, we have a special shout out going to
Nigel Tinivasa. We love you, brother, so much. Happy 24th birthday. Just thank you for being you. Thank you for being so supportive to Tuxx and I, and you've been such a massive support to our T&S family. And also a massive shout out to Lotto for picking my nails out, even though I didn't want to go blue. It's my husband's favorite color.
Yes.
So he was happy when he saw that.
Bam. Also family, if you do enjoy these kind of vlogs, us coming to the gym.
If you want to see me get pumped.
Let's go. Go Sarah. Go Sarah. Go Sarah. Or Sarah going to get her nails, things like that. Please comment down below and also give this video a massive thumbs up to let us know that we are doing a great job and you want to go and you want to see some more of these videos. If you are on a fitness journey, health journey, anything like that, God bless your journey. Stay strong, have faith in yourself,
Stay motivated.
believe in yourself,
Love yourself.
get inspired,
Get in me.
and get out. But yes fam, stay on track. If you do fall off track, accepting your guilty pleasure, whatever you've done, and moving on with life. Alright fam, so in TNS tradition, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Alright.